Google is about to destroy ChatGPT's dominance. Finally, Google has responded with its generative AI. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, debuts the AI chatbot Bard, among other things. A fundamental distinction between Bard and ChatGPT is that Bard can provide information on recent occurrences, whereas ChatGPT cannot comment on events occurring after 2021. Bard's operation will be mostly supported by Google's Lambda, which takes information from the web for all of its responses. Keep in mind that Bard is now under beta testing and will be released in the coming weeks. Developers will be able to build on it thanks to an API. Bard, like ChatGPT, is a conversation-optimized AI. It's based on Google's Lambda language model family, which debuted in May 2021. Unlike ChatGPT, though, Bard may browse the internet and reference current information for replies. Trusted external testers can now access Bard. According to Pichai, comments from external testers will be utilized to develop the system to satisfy Google's high standards of quality, security, and integrity. In the coming weeks, availability will be gradually increased. We'll launch, iterate, and improve, Pichai writes. Pichai explained that the dependence on Lambda is happening initially since it is a relatively tiny and lightweight model that can better grow to gather more feedback quickly. Google, as expected, is utilizing text-generating AI to expand its so-called zero-click search. These are inquiries that are answered straight in the search engine without the need to navigate to another website. These so-called AI features will be added to Google Search in the near future. The new feature is intended to distill complex material and different perspectives into easy-to-digest formats, allowing users to easily see the overall picture and learn more from the web, according to Pichai. Such AI features could have far-reaching effects for publishers, lowering visitors to sites and resulting in lost income. Google's zero-click results are already contentious, but at least they still attribute the source to a website. Google will soon release an API for generative language AI for developers. The API will be initially accessible for Lambda and will eventually be expanded to include other language models. Google, in addition to Lambda and others, provides a strong PaLM language model. Experiments reveal that PaLM is easily adaptable to certain domains such as medicine. Google may market specialized language models that are more reliable in their domain. According to Pichai, the Bard, API, and AI features in Google Search are only the beginning of Google's AI offensive. More to come in all of these areas in the weeks and months ahead, Pichai adds, underlining that the search company plans to be bold and responsible. CEO Pichai stated that AI has been a priority for the corporation over the last 6 years. Google has continued to put AI at the center of its efforts, from introducing Transformers, the grandmother of modern languages, in 2017, to introducing the state-of-the-art massive language model, Lambda, in 2021. With the arrival of Bard, Search will gain access to its various AI-powered features. It will benefit billions of Google Search users, who conduct 5.6 billion daily searches and almost 2 trillion global searches each year. Google will first create a lightweight model version of Lambda that takes substantially less computational power, allowing Bard to scale to more users and collect more input. Bard is currently only available to trustworthy testers ahead of its general rollout in the coming weeks. Google intends to release more AI tools in the coming months and make them available to individual developers, creators, and businesses. Microsoft currently holds the advantage in terms of language model interoperability. ChatGPT is now open to the public, and a more complex version is being tested in Bing. Google Bard will not be publicly available for some time, and it has to be known whether it was hastily assembled by Google to oppose Microsoft's advancement in the field or a genuine challenger. Another factor to consider is how people will react to ChatGPT and Bard, as well as how the real integration or coexistence on Bing and Google Search will appear in the future. Language models may provide inaccurate results, therefore there must be a mechanism to conduct traditional internet research.